Hello friends. Thanks again for watching this important and interactive video. We will unfold in detail what actually is heat input in welding in this video. And going deeper into it. Before we continue, please subscribe and support my YouTube channel. Also, share this video with your friends. So what is heat input in welding? As a layman, it is an energy that goes into the steel during welding. By simple equation, it will be a product of arc efficiency and arc energy. And this equation will be further break down in this video. So continue watching. Before we just understand the arc efficiency, first let's understand the arc energy. Arc energy is the amount of electrical energy that is supplied to the welding arc over a given weld length in inches or millimeters. The greater the arc energy used to deposit the weld metal, the longer it takes to remove the heat from the weld. And, therefore, the slower the weld will cool. We can calculate the arc energy with this equation. Here the welding current is in ampere, voltage is volt, and travel speed in millimeter per minute or inch per minute. Please remember that 1 kilojoule per millimeter is equal to 25 kilojoules per inch. In the above equation, arc current multiplied with arc voltage is the electric energy being supplied to the arc in 1 second in joule per second, and when this is divided by the distance traveled in 1 second, that is travel speed in millimeter or inches per minute divided by 60, one obtains the arc energy in joules per millimeter or joules per inch. Here a kilojoule is simply equal to 1000 joules. So this is the math behind this formula. So we have got the value of arc energy with this formula, but we still need to find the heat input, which is a product of arc energy and arc efficiency. So, heat input is equal to arc efficiency multiplied to arc energy. Replacing the value of arc energy, we will have this formula. Here, arc efficiency takes into account the fraction of the arc energy that goes into the workpiece and is not lost to the surrounding atmosphere. The submerged arc welding process has the highest arc efficiency and gas tungsten the smallest. The table shows the various welding processes and their arc efficiencies for calculating the heat input. For example, if you use the SMAW process with E7018 electrode having 4 mm diameter, for depositing a weld pass using the following parameters. To slow down the weld cooling rate, you can increase the arc energy. This can be done by running the arc hotter, which mean increasing the welding current, or by decreasing the travel speed. For example, increasing the current to 180 ampere will increase the arc energy too. And decreasing the travel speed to 6 inch per minute or 2.5 millimeters per minute instead will increase the arc energy too. Note that if you use a weaving technique instead of depositing stringer beads, then the arc travel speed is reduced and the arc energy increases. How to use a free online heat input calculator. Now to avoid all this calculation and find the heat input in a handy step. Use our free online calculator. Visit www.materialwelding.com. Enter the value of voltage, current, welding speed, and arc efficiency, are also called thermal efficiency. Click on Calculate and you will get instantly the heat input value. It is so simple. Is not? Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected for more interesting upcoming videos. Visit materialwelding.com for many more easy-to-use welding calculators such as preheat calculator, carbon equivalent calculator, hardness conversion, etc. As well as hundreds of articles in welding and NDT topics. Looking forward to see you. Also don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for regular updates on new videos.